Today we will know how to open files and links from terminal, and how to know file types. So let's get started. First, command named file. File can determine file types. Here I have some different file types. To use file command with all files, here type file plus asterisk sign, which means every available thing. Here we can clearly see that we have different files that can run in different ways. But because Linux is simple, we have xdg-open command that opens a file or URL in the user's preferred application. If a URL is provided, the URL will be opened in the user's preferred web browser. If a file is provided, the file will be opened in the preferred application for files of that type. If we typed xdg-open and path of folder, let's say out current path, xdg will open the file browser. On the other hand, we can type xdg-open and any file name to open it, like the following. And now, we can identify file types and open it from the terminal.